Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how to go from this look to this look. So it's basically my quick and easy braid pattern whenever like I'm in a quick rush and last minute I just want to put on my wig and make sure it's secure. So what you want to do first is brush out your hair, take out all of the knots, comb it out, whatever you need to do. So first I thought I was gonna do a middle part, so I'm gonna do it as if I'm doing a middle part. So what you want is trace the line in the middle. So now we're gonna separate our leave out from the rest. So it's really up to you how much you want to leave out. Your lines doesn't have to be straight like me. It's just I have a little bit of OCD, so my lines always have to be somehow straight. So this is why I go back and make sure everything is nice. So it should look something like this. So what you want to do next is just comb it through to make sure there's no knots. And I'm just gonna separate it, clip it up, so we can concentrate on the rest of the hair. So next I'm gonna trace out my 2 anchor braids for the top. So basically I do 2 anchor braids at the top of my head, just so when I put on my wig I have a secure attachment for my clips for my U-part wig. It's really up to you how much you want the braid, how big you want the braid to be. For me, I put it as small as possible, just so it doesn't leave a bump. And then I decided to put a leave out at the front too. You don't have to, honestly. I didn't see a difference this time, so it's really up to you if you want to leave it out or not. And then I'm gonna do another anchor braid at the bottom of my neck, bottom of my head, sorry. And basically all the rest you can just clip it, because we're not going to use this part for now. So this is how much I'm taking to do my braid. So now you can start braiding. So I'm going to do just a normal braid. So you want to go all the way across from one side of your head to the other side. And you want to make sure you braid it all the way down. So next I'm taking the 2 anchor braids. I'm going to do the 2 anchor braids that I had at the top. So you just want to release them. So you're going to do one side first, just comb it to make sure there's no knots, and then we're just going to braid it really quickly. And all of your braids, just make sure you braid them all the way through, just so like it doesn't release during the week or whatever. Just like that. And now we're gonna do the other side. Honestly, braiding with nails like this, it's not optimal. Like honestly, I used to braid so much better than this, but with my nails now, it's like I can't even braid, but I make it work. I push it through and I make it work. So again, I'm just gonna braid my hair all the way. So now we're gonna take the biggest part at the back. We're just gonna trace a part in the middle. So we're gonna do 2 big braids. Honestly, if your hair is a bit more thick than me, you can always take this part that I'm combing right now and separate it in 2. Like that, you won't have a big bump. Like it won't be too bumpy, it'll be like more flat. But for me, my hair is really fine, so I'm just gonna take do one big braid like this. So you want to take your anchor braid and braid it with the rest of the hair. So now I'm just taking whatever I have and just braiding it all together. And this one too, you want to braid it all the way just so it doesn't release. If you have elastics, you can always put elastics. For me, my hair stays pretty well, so I don't have to put anything. Just make sure that I braid it all the way down. So I'm going to do the other part now. Again, you just want to take your anchor braid and put it with the bigger braid all together like that. You won't have too many braids to clip down after. And also remember that you have your anchor braid at the bottom of your head, so just make sure you put it all together in the end like that. You're only gonna be left with 2 big braids that you're gonna have to clip. So now you're left with 2 braids that you're gonna have to clip. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cross them, so whatever is on the left, I'm gonna put it on the right. If your hair is really long, you can always just fold the braid in 2 and then take a bobby pin and just clip it down. And now I'm taking the other braid and put it on the other side, the opposite side. Again, I'm gonna take the length of the braid, fold it, and then clip it with a bobby pin. And this is how it should look like. So you see everything is crossed, and then you have your anchor braid at the bottom and it's laying pretty flat. So now you want to take your wig, your U-part wig. So you see all the clips that I have. I don't use all of them, it's just for whatever style I'm doing. So now I'm going to take the top clip, I'm going to put it on my first anchor braid on that side. Take the other clip, put it on the other anchor braid, and then I have a clip at the back, so I'm just gonna clip it, and then I have a clip at the bottom. I'm gonna clip it on my anchor braid that we did before. And now my wig is secure. I don't know, I have more clips, but I don't use them because I don't really need them for this hairstyle. So now my hair is laying flat, so I'm gonna do my leave out. Honestly, I have a lot of leave out right now. I don't usually leave that much out just because I just did my relaxer, so my hair is like a bit more fine. So at first I thought I was going to do a middle part like I said before, so I'm brushing it down and just checking how I like it. I didn't end up liking it, so that's why I'm going to change it in a second. You'll see. So I'm just tracing another part. Since I have a lot of leave out, like it's easy for me to just trace another part and do a side part instead of a middle part. But for you guys, you have to make sure that whatever part you do, like most of the time you can't really change it. So now I'm just gonna flat iron it because I just thought my ends were a bit frizzy, just to make it more smooth. But like I was saying, like as I go, when my hair is like the relaxer kind of wears down, sometimes like wherever I do my part, it's like I can't really change it. It just, when my relaxer is pretty fresh, I can really change it and move it around because my hair is really fine and I have much more leave out. And yeah, you guys, this is how it should look like. So I'm just brushing it down, just make sure everything is smooth, there's no tracks showing or anything. And this is basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.